Hi, good morning. I'm your Excel trainer, Ken Lau. Wouldn't you surprised? Today I show you a chart. It's the largest fashion group in Malaysia, PADINI. Now, take a look at this, right? So, based on this, we want to find out something, right? Why is it a drop? Right? Why is it a drop? So, is it the company is slowing down, business growth is slowing down, right? Is there any? There's no growth. There's no change. No positive change. So let's look at it, right? Since year 2014, you can see over here, right? Later, it's year 2014, April, right? To today, January 2015, right? It has been dropped 34.6%. So over this period, what have Padini done over this period? Right, is they are fashion group. So let's examine the number of stores they have in Malaysia over this period. So yes, so I have this information from their financial report. So as at so and so as a 2013 as a glance, right? You have no idea whether they are growing or they are shrinking, right? Or they are weakening their position. So can you find out what is the number of freestanding stores, right? What is the number of freestanding stores for this Padini group? As it's 30.6, right? So what is your favorite method to find out that solution? Now here I will show you one, right? It's using the subtotal. So I will show you an error first, right? This is very common. So I will select this and I choose. By the way, we need to do a sorting as well, right? But we don't. Right? So let's say a common error is this, right? They go to data, subtotal, and notice that it says that it cannot determine which rows in your list also each contain columns labels. The column labels referring to here, right? So this column has no label. This column has no label. So that's why it doesn't allow. It does allow you to create a subtotal, but then not really good. So in order to continue this, right? So we will go and create a column label by clicking cancel. So we're gonna put that. So I just say the category of the stores, right? And then these are the brands carried by Patini Group. Sorry, it's brands. So once you've done this, right? Now, how do you use subtotal? Is that you go to data, but first you gotta find out, you gotta group all those items that related to freestanding stores. So to group them, we use the sort, right? We choose sort A to Z, right? A to Z. So we have group, right? So at a glance, you already know that this is the number of freestanding store as at 2012, right? 2012 is 93, and then well, this require you to highlight the number of store. You might highlight wrongly as well, right? So let's move on to the next step. Click on the subtotal. Okay, so now Excel this time allow as identify this is the first row that contains the columns labels. So we're gonna do a change. We're gonna do a subtotal at each of the category change, right? So which is okay. We're gonna do a sum, and since it's required to find the five freestanding stores as at 30 June, right? So we just need to check on this and then click OK. So this is a subtotal, right? So the freestanding store for 2014 is hundreds. So if you know how to use these right now, you can always do a comparison between year 2013 and 2014. See if the number is decreasing, is the number of stores decreasing or increasing. Then ask yourself why the stock market reflects a downturn, right? So why is that? Why is a drop of share market price, right? If the business is growing, why is that so? So that reflects some market sentimental uncertainty. But this is a great time for you to invest as a value investor. Okay, I hope you today you learn how to use subtotal to find out the reality of a business. Thanks for watching.